Oh shit. 2 packs, 1 vending machine. Don't cook me. Oh shit, that's so sick. Wow. Definitely didn't get cooked there. Holy. That's so... I've been on fire pulling SIRs lately. This is crazy. I've been on absolute fire. Wicked hot hands right now. Look at that. Look at the texture. That's such a sick card. Just seeing these online, but it just doesn't do it justice until you're holding it. Wow. Alright, yeah, let me sleeve this guy right up. Nice. Check off another big one on this set. I'm trying to master this set. I got like 50 something cards, I can't remember. Wow. That's unreal. Pack 2. First pack magic, can we get last pack magic? That is crazy. So I pulled the Mewtwo and now the Moltres. That is just, I don't even know what to say. That's crazy. Wow. No. There's the Gouribus. Alright, let's go back to that real quick. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, like and subscribe to PokeBarbar if you like seeing me pull these bangers. Alright, PokeBarbar out.